Hey Cash Crafters, ever thought your typing skills could actually make you money? Well, hold on, because you're about to discover 5 surprising ways to turn your typing into cold, hard cash. But here's where it gets really interesting. Number 4, it's not just another method. It's so crucial that if you miss it, you could leave serious money on the table. And trust me, you don't want to skip this one. So buckle up and let's unlock some money-making potential with just your fingertips. Before we dive into the first method, if you're ready to unlock even more ways to make money, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a chance to boost your income with our upcoming videos. Now, don't scroll past just yet. Data entry may sound basic, but it's actually a hidden gem in the world of online work. Imagine this. You're typing up forms, organizing info, and doing it all from home. Simple, right? But here's the kicker. You're getting paid while you do it, and we're not just talking about pennies. Here's number 2, transcription. Transcribing is one of the most common online typing jobs out there, and anyone can do it, as long as they pay attention to detail, have excellent listening skills, and great typing accuracy. A huge plus? These are non-customer service jobs, which means little to no calls or meetings are required. Transcription involves listening to audio or video files, to type notes or records for later use and review. For example, if you're assigned to do a medical transcription, you'll listen to a recording of a doctor in surgery, typing out exactly what he says to create accurate patient records. Or you might get tasks to type notes from recordings of business meetings, court cases, and so much more. I've got to say, I have great admiration for transcriptionists. These may be some of the best weekend jobs, but performing transcription tasks, it's easier said than done. What really helps is practicing your typing speed daily so you can complete transcription projects on time and stay open for more work. Another strategy? Listen to the entire recording before you start typing. It'll save you time and help cut down on mistakes. Now, for number 3, captioning. Turning on subtitles or captions while watching YouTube or your favorite shows might seem like just a small convenience. But think about it. It's a service we often take for granted, and behind it all are skilled individuals working in captioning jobs. This opens up a unique opportunity to earn money simply by watching videos, and these captioning roles cover everything, from YouTube content and marketing clips to films and TV series. It's no surprise that more people are choosing captioning or subtitling as remote jobs. But don't be fooled. It's not as easy as it looks. See, captioning is a bit different from regular transcribing. It involves dividing the transcripted text, including sound effects, into time-coded chunks. You're not just typing what you hear, you're making sure every word syncs up with the video. You've got to be a very fast typist, with excellent listening skills. And yes, accuracy is everything. The pressure can be real, especially if you're new to captioning. But here's what you can do. Practice your typing skills through online typing test websites. This helps you keep track of your progress and get closer to that sweet spot. 98% accuracy, typing up to 200 words per minute. And there are companies out there specifically hiring freelancers just for captioning. A few great ones include Aberdeen, Captioning Star, and 3Play Media. If you're serious about making a long-term career in captioning, consider getting a certification, like the Certified Real-Time Captioner credential. This can open up job opportunities in higher-level areas like television. Plus, it shows companies that you're dedicated and skilled in the field. Here we go with number 4, freelance editing and proofreading. As a freelance editor or proofreader, you're not just reading words on a page. You're diving deep, reviewing works from other writers, checking for grammatical errors, or even altering the tone to match exactly what the client envisions. And there's a lot of variety in the projects you might take on. Imagine editing books and scripts from up-and-coming writers or even established publishing companies. Essentially, this allows you to make money by reading books, a dream side hustle, especially for anyone who's an avid reader. But let's be real, being an editor may be one of the best second jobs out there, but it's also a challenge. It takes skill, patience, and a solid editing strategy. 2 things can make all the difference in your editing game. First, try seeing the work from a reader's viewpoint. Step into their shoes. This will help you spot any readability issues that need fixing. And second, read it aloud. Trust me, this is a game changer. It helps identify awkward word choices or narrative inconsistencies that might slip by otherwise. Now, if you're wondering how to land clients, Networking and building an online presence are essential. But if you're just getting started, don't worry. You can dive into platforms like FlexJobs and Freelancer to kick off your job search. On these sites, you'll find listings to edit books, academic papers, articles, and more. And to boost your chances of being hired, here's a tip. Narrow down your niche and prepare a solid portfolio to submit alongside your application. This gives clients a clear view of your skills, your style, and, importantly, your dedication. Freelance editing and proofreading are perfect for detail-oriented people who love reading. It's a fulfilling, flexible way to earn by helping others polish their words to perfection. Number 5, ebook writing. Have a story, some expertise, or a unique idea to share? Writing ebooks might be the perfect side hustle. And yes, it's a lot simpler than you'd think. Here's how it works. Ebooks are in demand. Whether it's a guide, a novel, or a step-by-step how-to, readers love getting new information in bite-sized digital books they can download and read anytime. First, pick a topic you're either passionate about or have knowledge in. This could be anything: cooking tips, self-help, a personal memoir, whatever resonates with you or has a growing audience. Next, outline your content. Keep it structured but straightforward. And remember, it doesn't have to be long. Many successful ebooks are around 20 to 50 pages, enough to be informative without overwhelming readers. Once your ebook is ready, time to publish. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Smashwords, or even Gumroad. KDP is the most popular, where your ebook can reach millions of readers worldwide. Plus, you can earn up to 70% in royalties per sale. To make your ebook stand out, invest in a great cover and catchy title. It's worth it. And don't forget to promote on social media, blogs, or even collaborate with influencers. The more exposure, the better your sales. So, ready to turn your knowledge into income? Give ebook writing a go. It's low cost, creative, and the earnings can be impressive. Hit that like button if this sparked an idea, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your online income.